Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn about the 8th chapter of Qaida lesson. It is about Madda letters and lean letters. In this video, I will only discuss about the Madda letters. First of all, we have to understand what is Madda. Madda means to stretch, to prolong the sound of a word or any letter. So, how many Madda letters are there in Qaida lesson? There are 3 Madda letters in Qaida lesson: Alif, Waw and Ya. All these 3 have their different definition. First, we will discuss about the Alif Madda. How to define Alif Madda. If there will be Fatha on any letter before the Alif, then Alif will be Madda. For example, Ba, Alif Fatha, Ba, Ta, Alif Fatha, Ta, up to so on. There should be difference between Ba Fatha Ba and Ba Alif Fatha Ba. We have to prolong the sound of the Alif Madda when there will come any fatha on any letter before the alif, then alif will be madda. We have to read with a longer sound. Length of this sound is approximately 2 seconds, not more than 2 seconds. Now we are going to find the waw madda. If there will be dhamma on any letter before the waw sakin, then waw will be madda. For example, ba waw dhamma, bu, ta waw dhamma, tu. We have to read this with a longer sound. And in case of ya madda, if there will be kasra under the any letter before the waw ya sakin, then ya will be madda. For example, ba ya kasra, bi, ta ya kasra, we have to do a lot of practice to understand these Madda letters. Stay tuned with us. We are going to start the 8th chapter of Qaida lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to start the practice of the Madda letters in this Qaida lesson. So the first word is Ba, Alif Fatha, Ba, Ba Waw Dhamma, Bu, Ba Ya Kasra, Bi. Collectively it will be Ba, Bu, Bi. The next is Ta Alif Fatha, Ta, Ta Waw Dhamma, Tu, Ta Ya Kasra, Ti. Next is Tha, Tha Alif Fatha, Tha, Tha Waw Dhamma, Su, Tha Ya Kasra, Fi. Next is Ha. Also pronounce the alphabet correctly. Ha Alif Fatha, Ha, Ha Waw Dhamma, Hu, Ha Ya Kasra, Hi. Next is Kha. Kha Alif Fatha, Kha, Kha Waw Dhamma, Khu, Kha Ya Kasra, Khi. Next is Ra. Ra Alif Fatha, Ra, Ra Waw Dhamma, Ru, and Ra Ya Kasra, Ri. And we are going to the next page. Next is Za Alif Fatha, Za, Za Waw Dhamma, Zu, Za Ya Kasra, Zi. Next is Ta. Ta Alif Fatha, Ta, Ta Waw Dhamma, Tu, Ta Ya Kasra, Ti. Next is Wa. Wa Alif Fatha, Wa, Wa Waw Dhamma, Lu, Wa Ya Kasra, Ghi. Next is Fa. Fa Alif Fatha, Fa, Fa Waw Dhamma, Fu, Fa Ya Kasra, Fi. Next is Ha. ha alif fatha ha, ha waw dama hu, ha ya kasra hi. Next is ya, ya alif fatha ya, ya waw dama yu, ya kasra yi. Next is hamza, hamza alif fatha a, hamza waw dama u, hamza ya kasra i. Next is jim, jim alif fatha ja, jim waw dama ju, jim ya kasra ji. Next is dal, dal alif fatha da, dal waw dama tu, dal ya kasra di. Similarly, the zal letter zal, zal alif fatha za, zal waw dama zu, zal ya kasra zi. Next is sin, sin alif fatha sa, sin waw dama su, sin ya kasra si. Next is shin, shin alif fatha sha, shin waw dama shu, shin ya kasra shi. Next is sod, sod alif fatha sa, صاد واو دم صو، صاد يا كسرة صي. Next is ضاد، ضاد ألف ضا، ضاد واو دم ضو، ضاد يا كسرة ضي. Next is عين، عين ألف ع، عين واو دم عو، عين يا كسرة عي. Next is غاين، غاين ألف غا، غاين واو دم غو، غاين يا كسرة غي. قاف ألف قا، قاف واو دم قو، قاف يا كسرة قي. Next is light kaf، كاف ألف كا، كاف واو دم كو، and kaf ya kasra ki. And the next one is lam alif la, lam waw dam lu, lam ya kasra li. Next is mim, mim alif ma, mim waw dam mu, mim ya kasra mi. And the next is noon, noon waw fatha na, noon waw dama nu, and noon ya kasra ni. Collectively na, nu, ni. And the last one is waw, Wow, alif fatha, wa. Wow dama, woo. Wow, ya kasra, we. Collectively it will be va, woo, we. So that's it for the mother letters in 8 chapters. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss about the lean letters in detail. Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty Allah, we have completed the first part of the 8th chapter of the Qaida lesson. In this video, it was about the Madda letters. How many Madda letters are there? There are 3 Madda letters, Alif, Waw, and Ya. We discussed these in detail and also practice these Madda letters with each and every alphabet. Inshallah, in next video, we will learn about the lean letters. It is the second part of the 8th chapter of the Qaida lesson. Kindly stay tuned with us and improve your Holy Quran along with Tajweed. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.